Hello friends, welcome to a tootscorner.com video. Today we will see how to make weight loss powder at home. Weight loss powder can be a helpful addition to your routine, promoting metabolism, curbing appetite, and supporting digestion. By making your own powder at home, you can choose natural, effective ingredients that fit your needs. Here how to create a simple, powerful weight loss powder using ingredients that don't require boiling. Ingredients you will need. First, fenugreek seed powder. Fenugreek seeds are known for their ability to regulate blood sugar and help curb appetite. They support healthy digestion and play a key role in reducing craving, making them an essential part of your weight loss powder. Second, dry ginger powder. Ginger has a fat-burning properties and help improve digestion. It also assists in reducing bloating and support metabolism, making it a great addition to your mix. Third, flaxseed powder. Flaxes are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acid which help promote fullness and support digestion. They are great choice for appetite control and reduce calorie intake. Fourth, chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acid and antioxidant. They promote fat burning, help with digestion and support appetite control, making them an ideal ingredient for your weight loss powder. Fifth, skimmed milk powder. Skimmed milk powder is a good source of protein which aids in muscle maintenance, boosts metabolism and helps you stay full longer. It provides a creamy texture when mixed with liquids. 6. Roll oats powder. Rolled oats are excellent source of soluble fiber which promotes satiety and help regulate blood sugar levels. They slow down digestion and keep you feeling full for longer, which is crucial for weight management. How to prepare the powder? First, mix the ingredients. In a clean bowl, combine 2 tablespoons skimmed milk powder, 2 tablespoons rolled oats powder, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seed powder, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Stir well to ensure all ingredients are evenly distributed. Second, store properly. Transfer the mixture on the airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place. This homemade weight loss powder will stay fresh for a few weeks. How to use? To use, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the powder to warm water, smoothies or shakes. You can consume it once or twice a day, either in the morning or as a snack between meals. Making your own weight loss powder at home is an easy and natural way to support your weight management goals. You can create a blend that aids in fat burning, digestion, and appetite control. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.